Hi and welcome. This is Rozani. Today I'm experimenting with mulberry paper. And this is my first time using it with papier mâché. I'm applying it onto the surface with liquid starch. And I can see that it's working very nicely. I love the fibers in this paper. It's wonderful to work with on this little cap. This is one of my most recent gnome projects, and boy, he's going to look quite noble wearing this elegant patterned headpiece. Have you heard about mulberry paper? Let me know in the comments below. There's so many things we can do with it, and I've found a new way to use it right here. I'm looking forward to working on so many more projects with all the different types of mulberry paper. And I have many pieces here in this variety pack. They are so cool. Thanks for being here, and I hope you'll give this a try. Bye for now.